Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. I'm Kel, and I'm here with another Thrift Store Thursday part 2 from last week. So I hope you were able to watch all the lovely items that I had came across. In the previous video, I did say that I was going every day. So here is the conclusion. Now, I'm going to start off with this box because I boxed everything up. My lovely ladies at the Dollar Tree, they always save me the boxes when they take their dishes out, and I'm able to stack my stuff and take it over to storage. So start with these. Look how pretty these are. And I got 4. Another set of pudding. Beautiful. Beautiful. And these were 49¢. Now, I did take the tags off because I was getting ready to do a video with these coming up. So the tags are off, but I just hurried and put them back in the box so you guys can see them. But it's like that amber kind of gold, like a deep gold color. Isn't that beautiful? So you will be seeing these in an upcoming tablescape. And so I got 4 of them. No, I actually got 5. Look at this. I got 5 of them. 3. And then here's another one. So I got 5 of them. I didn't realize I had got 5. See that? Okay. And then the next set, oh, look at these. Isn't this gorgeous? And these were 49¢. Look at that pretty burnt red up in there. That cranberry red. Isn't this just, look at the stem of that. Fabulous. And I got 5 of these. 4. Y'all know I'll be nervous when I be pulling out these glasses because I do not want to break them, but I got 5. You heard me put them back in the box. Let me just show y'all the one, but I did get 5. Oh, these are going to be beautiful coming up in a nice tablescape. I can't wait to use these. And I may even bling out the bottom of this. I'm not sure yet. They're just so pretty by themselves. So yeah. And this could be like a nice fruit bowl, for your table. So I thought that was fabulous. 49¢for all of those pudding dishes. And if you watched, I think a Thrift Store Thursday, maybe about 2 or 3 weeks ago, I had got another set of the pudding, the clear white ones, and then the beautiful lace ones. So I have like every different style now, and I was super happy to come across these. Okay, look at this. And this is how it was wrapped. I have not even unwrapped it yet, so let's get to unwrapping it so I can show you what it is, because I really wanted to open it on camera so you can see it. Oh, this is so pretty. No, this is not, I don't think this is not vintage because it just says made in China. But look how pretty that white, look at all that detail in there. See that? And then it came with a pretty gravy bowl. Isn't that elegant? Look how pretty that is. This light is very strong today. Let me see if I can turn this light down for y'all so you can. How about if I just turn the light off? Maybe you'll be, there we go. See it? Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Along with the plate. Okay. And I paid 99 cents. So I'm hoping you can see that. 99 cents. Fabulous. Let me get my light back on. Okay. So, I tell you, you got to get out here and get to your thrift stores because they have such gorgeous stuff, and I was so happy that the bubble wrap came along with this. That way I didn't have to try to go out to buy any extra bubble wrap for this. This was this was a good find for me, and I'm very pleased to be able to find it. Lastly, this is going to be a short one, but y'all, and I don't see the price on here. I believe this was only 99 cents. It must have came off, but start all over. Look at this. I see through you. And I mean, this is actually hurting my back just to hold this. This is how heavy this is. Oh, do y'all see that? 99 cents. Now y'all know this is going to be probably in about 99.99 of my videos for this winter. This is going to be a fabulous centerpiece. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to display this for y'all. Upcoming tablescapes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. If you know someone that is interested in these type of videos, please make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe and leave me a comment down below. And like I always say, if it ain't cheap, I'm not buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next Thrift Store Thursday.